So this is Horizon Ridge Parkway and Sandy Ridge. There's some land to build, but this is a really nice area. They have some ultra modern homes coming on this side, and then offices and apartments. Let me shut that window. Yeah, so Verizon, this area, really nice area in Henderson. So
at the light, turn right onto Carnegie Street.
And you can see some strip mall here, shopping on the other side as well. So this is Horizon Ridge Commons gas station. I've actually gone to the doctor over there at the Shepherd's Eye Center. Restaurant. Mexican
Continue on
restaurant.
Carnegie Street for half a mile.
Okay, now this part is residential. These apartments, 2 bedrooms, are probably around 15 to 1800.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Valley Rise Drive.
This is Carnegie Heights. So you can see, you can get a feel.
Turn right onto Valley Rise Drive, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay, so this is Rice Canyon. I want to say I went straight too early. Okay, now we're at house number 2. I talked to Michael Child. He said that, they're pretty motivated to sell this property. I can tell you why this property has not sold. Carnegie is a nice area, but this is the reason right there. You see that? That's the reason why I think this is not sold. So the street is pretty wide, very nice, but when you come see this house, you literally see the power lines behind. And then the other thing that's interesting is you see this driveway. This driveway is cracking. Not only is it cracking, it has a very high gradient, and then the garage doors, I want to say this is probably facing west. Garage doors definitely, feel like they're cracking or a little bit beat up. Their landscaping is really nice. Beautiful trees, and walking to the backyard. Nicely upgraded windows. Okay, so here's the entry. This is living room to the right, and I would say another open space. Yeah, this got a lot of storage in here. Okay, this property has really high ceilings. Super high ceilings. But this space is kind of tight, but you do have, 2 other space over there. So kitchen goes all the way out to the top. The backyard looks really nice. So there's this part. This is the primary bedroom. So here's the entry to the primary bedroom. And you go to the bathroom first. Right here, you got a toilet, and you have a jetted tub, and you have a walk-in shower, and then you have a walk-in, basically closet, walk-in closet, and then you come to this hallway. Then you have the biggest primary bedroom ever. The bedroom is huge with a fireplace, super big, super tall. I would say that these are like maybe 9 or 10-foot ceilings. Go to the other side of the house. There's a fireplace, control. That is the the alarm. Oh, so you have actually bedroom downstairs, And this is the secondary bedroom, which is really hard to find. You have additional storage here. And this is the bathroom. Okay. So this is a full bath downstairs for your guests. Okay. And now we're gonna go into the laundry area. Okay, so laundry space, very high ceilings again, and I'm going to the garage. Let me open this. Okay, so the garage over here, it's like a 2-car garage. There you go. So the flooring is like they painted over it, and it has hot water heater with the straps. Okay, and then they have like a attic access storage. Okay, we're gonna go now to the upstairs, and then I'll go to the oh yeah, I already showed you this storage in here. Goes all the way down. Lots of storage in this house. And this is the front door, which is on the side. Okay, I'm gonna go to the upstairs right now, 2nd floor. Just a side note, these stairs are kind of narrow. This floor plan is quite interesting. All right, at the top of the stairs, you can see there's the right side and left side. So there are 2 bedrooms here. Window looking towards Carnegie. Got mountain views. Ceiling fan. All right, now we're gonna go to the right side from the stairs. All right, so you can see this is the full shower, which is actually really nice to have like 3 full showers. Very nice. 1 sink. Somebody who has young kids might be scared of this railing. Okay, this is bedroom number 4. So this is access to the attic, additional storage. The paint in here might need some touch up or paint. The carpet is not bad. Yeah, carpet is not bad. But very, very high ceilings. Might work for a teenager, but for little kids, might be tough. So these are 12 by 12 tile floors in this house. And we're gonna go outside. Okay, so there's a slope. I can tell this is a little higher and then that's lower. But I think they did this wrong because it's way too high to the stucco. But that's just me. And in the back, this is the backyard. It's a nice backyard. I really like this. All the lattice, covered patio is nice. They just put this grass in because you could see it. Yeah. And the tree needs to be trimmed right about there. Okay, let's see what else. And this is a fruit tree. Okay, let's see. This kind of fruit. So back here, this is a park. Very nice. But you can definitely see, the power lines, and the Catholic Church is right there. I think this tree is probably dead. I'm not sure if it's dead or not. Maybe it's not dead. It's just winter. Okay, they have that. Nice backyard. I just wish it didn't back up to the power lines. Basically, that's it.